Yes. So please check my issue report complaint and problem this solve. And some people fake copyright. Yes, fake claim, fake copyright plus copyright. Some people harassment, and I have a screenshot, madam. I have a screenshot. I show screenshot. Some people message me my account, and she harass me. She tell me give me others copyright strike with my profile, my video, my picture, and then I am deactive my account. Today I active my account, so I am share with you. I mean something share with you my Facebook support team. Please check me and solve this problem, please. This is my humble request. Yes.
আমাদেরকে সত্য প্রবর্তনার যেন আল্লাহ তাআলা তৌফিক দেন, আমল করার তৌফিক দেন। সকলে বলছি আমিন।